Welcome back to New and Old Survival. Today we're going to be canning up those roosters that I had a couple of weeks ago. And if you've ever tried to cook a rooster, you know they're super tough. But I'm going to show you how to make them super tender. Stick around. You'll enjoy. Today I'm using the Nesco digital pressure canner. It's not only a cooker, but it is recognized as a canner and exceeds all of the standards necessary. And so we'll be putting these birds in quart jars, sticking them in there, canning them up for later. Here you can see I've got two birds, one with the skin on, one with the skin off. I've done this with all the birds, and that way I can mix and match the fat content and to match whatever I want. Okay, now we've got all the two birds mixed up in all the jars. I've got one thigh and one wing in each jar, and then I've added the other breast, one breast per. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of chicken flavor bouillon to each. Then I'm going to add a half a cup of water to each jar. After I've added the bouillon, the onion, the garlic, the pepper to the jars, I'm going to wipe them with a vinegar soaked rag to make sure there's no grease left on the top. Then I'm going to grab a lid. It's been sitting on the stove, warming up. Make sure they're nice and supple. Ouch! Ouch! There it is. And then put my rings on. Place them in my cooker. Then I'm going to add 4 cups of hot water. And a splash of vinegar to make sure I don't get that white residue. Just to do it. Close the lid. Now I'm going to hit high, and since we're doing meat, it'll be 90 minutes. And start. We'll wait for it to start heating up. Then once it beeps, then we'll close the valve that's on top and let it go from there. One of the things that I haven't covered yet, it ships with 2 pressure valves, a green and a black. The black is if you live at 1,000 feet or below, and the green is for 1,001 and above. So I've went ahead and switched these out, and literally it just pops right off. You pop the other one on, and we're still waiting for the canner. You can see it just kind of going around and around while it's heating. We're still waiting for it to heat up. As soon as it beeps, sorry about the noise and the wind, or not wind, but then I'm going to flip this to closed and push start, and it's all automated from there. And you can see that this is still going around, and maybe you can hear that steam starting to come out. We just beeped. We got an E10. That means close the valve. From there, we can go shopping, take a shower, go out, cut the grass. It's all going to be automatic from here. Once the pressure has been achieved, it'll start counting down from the time that you preset. In this case, it was 90 minutes. And you can see that 1 minute has already rolled off. So now we just have basically an hour and a half to wait, and then our 4 jars or 1 gallon of canned chicken will be ready. As soon as you hear the beep, I recommend, and also the manufacturer recommends, that you leave it sit for 1 hour so that the pressure go ahead and come down. But that's it. I mean, I actually took a nap. That's why I have so much energy right now, because I had a nap while I did my canning. Yow! That is hot. Now, let's look at here. Bubbling in the jar. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Every one of them is the same. Still going. This is like after an hour. Man, it smells so good. I thank you for joining me today and watching this video on a digital pressure canner. Now, I do have a pressure cooker that's digital, but it's not the same as a pressure canner. So do your homework, look it up, and if you get one, I guarantee you, you'll love it just like I do. See you on the next video. And also, don't forget to subscribe to, I think it's down here. I messed it up on the last one. Maybe I'll get it right on this one. The subscribe, all the notifications, catch us on Facebook, all that mess. Anyway, I'll see you on the next video.